Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have some exciting updates about the new iPad Mini Pro. Apple is gearing up for a major upgrade to their iPad Mini line in 2024, and we are about to dive into all the details, including specs, release dates, and pricing. So, if you're a fan of Apple's compact tablets, you'll definitely want to stick around for this. So, for the next iPad Mini, it looks like Apple is finally going to give us a significant upgrade. While we might have to wait until 2026 for OLED screens, the iPad Mini could soon become the iPad Mini Pro. Here's a breakdown of what we know so far, starting with the chipsets. At the heart of the iPad Mini Pro will be an innovative A-series chip. Depending on the production timeline, this could be either the A17 Pro or the A18 Pro. These advanced chipsets will deliver enhanced performance and efficiency, ensuring smooth multitasking and better graphics performance. Expect faster app launches and improved overall performance. Even though the iPad Mini Pro might not feature an OLED screen right away, it will still boast a ProMotion display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means a much smoother scrolling experience and better visual performance. The new model is likely to use a standard LED display but with refined manufacturing to reduce jelly scrolling issues seen in previous models. One of the most noticeable changes will be the repositioned selfie camera. Instead of being on the vertical side, it will be moved to the horizontal side of the device. This is in line with the trend of optimizing tablets for landscape use, making video calls and selfies more natural and convenient. As for when you can get your hands on the iPad Mini Pro, Apple is expected to announce it in mid-September 2024. The device will likely be available for purchase about a week after the announcement. This timing aligns with Apple's typical release schedule for new products. In terms of pricing, the iPad Mini Pro is expected to start around $499. It will likely come in multiple storage options, including 128GB and 512GB. If Apple positions it as a Mini Pro model, the price might be slightly higher, possibly by around $100, reflecting the enhanced features and specs. Additional improvements to the iPad Mini Pro include enhanced battery management, better camera quality, and potential design refinements. The display might not get mini-LED or OLED tech just yet, but ProMotion is a definite possibility if it becomes the Pro model. The iPad Mini Pro looks set to be a fantastic upgrade for Apple's compact tablet lineup. With its powerful chipset, improved display technology, and repositioned selfie camera, it's sure to offer a premium experience. As we approach the release date, more details will likely emerge. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all the latest tech news, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.